Video editing tutorial for beginners. If you've been wanting to start content creation and you don't even know where to get started with video editing, then you've stumbled upon the right video, because today I'll be showing you how to get started with video editing. Even if you've never edited any video before, after watching this video, you'll be able to get started and edit beautiful looking videos. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiamaka, and today I am going to be showing you how to get started with editing your videos. And the app we're going to be using is CAPCUT. The reason why I love CAPCUT is that CAPCUT has, it is beginner friendly. It has a simple interface. Like, even if you don't know anything about video editing, with CAPCUT, you can get started easily. If you don't have CAPCUT in your phone, just go to your Google Play Store if you're on Android, or on App Store if you're on iPhone, and download the CAPCUT app. Now, while watching the video, if you have two devices, after watching with one device, you can log into CAPCUT with another device so you can practice as you learn. But if you don't have another device, just get a pen and a paper and write down all the things I'll be saying, so that when you finish watching this video, you will go to your CAPCUT and start practicing immediately. You know that practicing makes perfect. If you just watch and you don't practice, you're not going to learn it. Okay, so go ahead, download your CAPCUT, and let's dive right into it.
Now, first things first, download CAPCUT from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once you open it up, you will be greeted by the home screen to create a new project. Tap on the new project button. This will open up to your gallery where you can select the video clips and images you want to use for your project. Just select your files and then click add. Easy, right? Now that we've added our clips, let me show you around the workspace. At the top, we have got the preview screen where you can watch your edits in real time. Below that is the timeline where you'll be working with your clips. This is where all the magic happens. You can scroll through the timeline to make it easier to work with specific sections of your video. To play your video, just hit the play button.
So that is it on how
you can as well pause, fast forward, or rewind by dragging the slider. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is cutting and trimming the clips. After importing your clips, the next step is to cut and trim. So cutting and trimming means cutting off all the unwanted parts of the video. Let's say the place you made mistakes, you don't want it on your video, right? You want your video to be seamless. So that is the essence of cutting and trimming. Now let's start by trimming your clips. To cut a video, just tap on the clip in your timeline. Have you seen? This clip has been selected right now. You will see this playhead. Move it to where you want to split the clip. Say you want to split it from here. So tap split. You can see that the video has been splitted into two. If you want to delete any part, just select the section and hit the delete button. Say you want to delete this clip, right? Say you want to delete this clip here. You just tap delete. Or you want to delete from here, split, tap where you want to delete and tap on delete. Did you see? The clip has been deleted. Now go back to the main menu.
If you watched up till this point, then you're very serious about learning video editing, and I hope you are getting value for your time. If you are, comment down below. Tell me yes in the comment section, I am getting value. Now, so far we've talked about importing your video to CAPCUT, and then we also talked about cutting and trimming. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe. And the next step is
adding transitions between clips. Transitions are those cool effects that makes your clips fade, slide, or dissolve into one another. To achieve this, go to where you want to add the transitions. Say you want to add transitions right here. So you tap on here. When you tap there, a list of transition options will appear. You've got a ton of options here like fade, slide, zoom, and more. So it depends on what you want.
new video.
There are lots of cool effects and transitions that you can use here.
New video.
To add transitions between clips, say you want to add a transition between this clip and this clip. All you need to do is get this arrow to where you want to add the transition, then tap on effects, Then go to video effects. You can see there are a lot of transitions here that you can choose from. All these pro ones, you can't use it if you're on free CapCut, right? So we're going to use a free one. So say this. So we've added this transition. It's just a simple transition. There are lots of them that you can also use. Let me change it. Let me delete and look for another one. Video effects. Let me choose a different one. This is another one, right? I deleted it. I want to choose another one. Say you want to use this. Did you see that? So now there are two transitions right here. So delete this one. So you see, this is transition. You can as well adjust the duration of the transition by tapping and dragging the slider. Say you want the transition to extend, you can adjust it by tapping and dragging, or you can as well drag it back if you want it to be in just a small section of the video. And the next step is adding text to your videos. So to add text, let's go back to the main menu, and then you can see text right here. To add text, drag the video to where you want to add the text. Say you want to add the text at the beginning of the video. You should make sure that the slider is at the beginning. Then tap text. Did you see? Now tap add text. A CapCut tutorial. Now you can change the font, the style. You can change the style of the fonts. So this is the styles. You can choose any style you want here. You can as well change the color. You can as well resize the text by dragging it to the size you want. Have you seen? It's effects. If you want to add more effects to the text, you can choose a lot of them from here. There are animations. So just play around with those. Play around and choose any one you want. So this transitions is to make your text more dynamic. As you can see, it's like an entrance and exit effect. So play around with it and choose any one you prefer. You can as well drag the text. Say you want this text to extend to the end of the video. All you have to do is drag the text, tap and drag the text to where you want it to end. Now, if you made a mistake, you can drag it back. You can as well split the text. Say you want it to be here, but you don't want it to be at the center, right? You can just tap on it, then split. When you split, remember you don't want it to be at the center, but you want it to be at the beginning and at the end. So you split again, then go to the center where you want it deleted, tap on it and delete. You can see there's text here and there is no text here and there's another text here, right? Now the next step is adding music and sound effects. To add music and sound effects, tap on audio. Yes. So when you tap on audio, you can see there's a lot of options: sounds, brand music, sound effects, extract, text to audio, and record. Record is for recording your voice. If you want to do voiceover, this is where you're going to tap. So when you tap, you start recording. When you are done, tap, and then you can see the voiceover is here. Now another option is sounds. You can select a sound from CapCut. You can select one of these sounds. and use in your video, you just tap this plus and the sound will be added to your video. And the next one I want to talk about is extract. So if you have your own music or your own sound you want to add into your video, just when you get to the point you want to add, say you want to add it from the beginning of the video, just go to the beginning of the video, extract. Now you can extract any audio you want. Let's say this is a music. If this is a music, just tap on it and then extract and add audio. It will just extract the audio from that video that you just tapped and add it into your CapCut. Now the next and last step is exporting your video. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export. Just tap on the export button in the top right corner. You can choose the resolution and frame rate here. 1080, you can see 2K or 4K, and then the frame rate. Once you're ready, hit export and your video will be saved to your device.
So that is all on video editing tutorial for beginners. I hope you got real value from this video. If you did, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also click the notification button so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.